Good morning, guys. So, I decided I'll give y'all a vlog for my next video because I'm doing something today. Anyway, right now it is 25 minutes to 9 a.m. as you see. A.m. And I'm doing breakfast. I'm also baking. That's why all of these are up here, because we usually keep them in the stove, but I'm baking. I'm baking my cookies. Actually baked some last night. Yeah. Still have so much more, but I'm doing those because I'm going to the beach. So I just got up and I just felt like I wanted to go to the beach. Okay, so those have about, yeah, those have about 10-12 minutes in there. And I'm just going to wait for that to thaw out, do my breakfast, eat. I told them we could go to the beach for 10, so I have some time. I have like an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, so I am on my way to the beach. It is 10:15. Rena. Rena, why you looking like that? Anyway, she's not going. I just have to put her in the car when I open the gate because she will run out and run after vehicles. So this is what I have to do. And in this dress thingy, I cut these sleeves. It was a long sleeve. It's just like this button up thing. Yeah. So I'll be back when I'm there. Alright guys, so I am here. So I'm going to take all this stuff out and then get down to the beach. Right. Okay guys, so right now we are by my friend's house. It is currently minute to 2. It's friend. Imagine if you have a view like this. Want to be cocked up in your porch every day? Okay, so big time jump. Last time in the last clip, I think I was at a friend's house, at Ashley's house, the same girl I think I showed you her when I said that. And that it was about after 2, after 2, I think 2 o'clock at that time. We went back to the beach. We left about 5 after 5, and then yeah, I came home, I bathed and whatever. So right now I'm leaving home because I don't know, I don't feel like being home today. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this vlog right here. I'm currently watching YouTube. Okay. Yeah, I'm currently watching YouTube. I've been watching Beam Squad because I'm a Beam Squad. Yeah, I've been watching Ace Family. Yeah, I've been watching all of them. It is currently what? Okay, it's minutes to 1, and I'm having me a snack. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.